Welcome to episode 135 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you harmonizing in sixths on the D and B strings, the inner strings here. And I talk a lot about harmonizing, especially in sixths, because it's used so much in music. It's just a really good shape to know. And this is a nice way to get used to the shapes that you have to switch around in to stay in key, to stay in your harmony in sixths. And I'll do it in A, so I'm doing this all over the open A string. And here are the shapes. Going all the way up the scale and down again. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just going up over A, and going through all the notes in the scale and just playing the harmonized note that's 1/6 above. So I'll do this again. This is very useful just because you can harmonize a melody, either starting from the top, like that was your melody, you can go harmonize it in that way, or if you had a melody, if your melody was like this, you could harmonize it like that with it above. So you can kind of harmonize it either from the top or the bottom. But you start to see these shapes appearing more and more, especially as you play through any melody that has a harmony in it, or that you'd like to add a melody to. So it's very useful to get used to these shapes. Eventually it'll become automatic and you'll be able to hear when to make these changes. So very, very useful to you. I hope that you find it interesting, and also a good exercise just in switching around also. So let me know any comments or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.